great. Keep it going. You did awesome, Allison. High five. Good job. You want to keep building it? Okay, let's keep going. That is heavy. Whoa.
Sorry.
That's okay. You're doing awesome. Keep it going. Wait, let Daddy do a little fix here, Pumpkin, to make this. No, hold on. That's not gonna work. Here, let's do this. Let's do a little structural engineering, sweetheart. It's still not gonna work.
Don't worry.
Don't worry, I'll do it.
You go ahead. Here we go. Oh, it's back on top. Oh, Allison, this is amazing. Do you like your castle?
I clean it up. I sit here.
Do you want to do some more?
He does it. I sit here.
I know, thank you.
There.
Perfect.
No.
Do you have another piece you want to put on there?
This.
Where do you want this one?
Look right there.
We'll put the car right here. Whoa. Here's one more piece.
There. Thanks. One.
And we'll put this car. That doesn't work.